Hello and welcome back to Cyber Circuit. Before we start, hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss any of our videos. Elon Musk read the encyclopedia twice as a kid, and the encyclopedia shows how different things are related. When he started PayPal, Elon bought a book about banks to learn how it works. And while launching SpaceX, Elon read the Soviet-era rocket manuals and studied rocket books. Friend, what will Elon Musk's library look like today? When one day a machine takes over humanity on Earth. Swedish philosophers claim that the survival of gorillas today depends more on humans than on the gorillas themselves. The future of humankind can be determined by the superintelligent machines we have created. Bostrom suggests that as we teach ourselves that machines will become smarter, an intellect explosion can occur and human intellect will be much delayed. Elon Musk has also funded Nick Bostrom's research, recommending the book in a tweet, stating that he needs to be very careful about potentially dangerous AI than nuclear weapons. As Bostrom discusses in a book, a superintelligent machine can benefit humanity as long as it is good enough to teach you how to control it. Elon keeps his eye on artificial intelligence by investing in companies. Having said that, it's not really from the standpoint of trying to make any money from investments, but rather, he prefers to keep track of what's going on with artificial intelligence. He thinks there's a potentially dangerous outcome here. Elon started AI by opening an artificial intelligence research lab, and he invested in DeepMind, an AI that Google has taken over, and you won't find just one book on artificial intelligence in Elon Musk's library. Life 3.0 Being Human in the Age of Artificial Intelligence by MIT cosmologist Max Tegmark. Tegmark's book discusses how AI could eventually replace humans through automation, and that it could either give us the opportunity to flourish like never before or the power to destroy ourselves. Elon supported this book on Twitter, saying it's worth a read and that AI will be the best or worst thing humanity has ever done, so let's fix that. For the next Elon Musk book, we're going to delve into the fictional side of the library. His next book recommendation is the classic sci-fi novel The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy by Douglas Adams. The book tells the story of Arthur Dent, who is saved from the destruction of Earth by an alien Ford prefect. Dent then finds himself wandering the universe in search of the meaning of life. Elon has stated that his philosophical foundations are in line with those of Douglas Adams. He first read Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy as a teenager, saying that I felt like I had an existential crisis when I was around 12 or 15, and I was trying to understand the meaning of life. Was reading various books and what does it mean? Everything seemed redundant. The book helped Elon Musk realize that the question is harder than the answer, and if you can phrase the question correctly, then the answer is the easy part. This powerful insight has played an important role in Elon's life that has inspired him to ask tough questions and find answers with ambitious ventures such as SpaceX and Tesla. When he launched it into orbit, he also placed the iconic words from the book on the center screen of the Tesla Roadster, and then the Starship prototype with the number 42 written on it. The following Elon Musk library has a book he recognizes as one of the things that helped move from a programming background to rocket science. This book is called The Reason Why J.E. Gordon Doesn't Drop the Structure of Things. Elon says this is good if you need an introduction to structural design. The book covers topics such as building skyscrapers and why suspension bridges don't collapse, and explains how engineering works in a simple and accessible way. Makes it easier to understand complex scientific principles. Elon Musk has made it clear that he did not become a structural engineer by choice at SpaceX, saying that the reason I didn't want to be a chief engineer or chief designer was that I couldn't hire anyone. No good would be involved. This book helped him start SpaceX. As well as one of the heroes of Douglas Adams, Elon the inventor and the U.S. the founding father is Benjamin Franklin. Elon recommends reading Franklin's biography of Walter Isaacson. It discusses the kite and his experiments with lightning that led to the development of the lightning rod and his invention of the bifocal lens. Elon describes Franklin as one of the people I admire most. The biography helped Musk understand Franklin's entrepreneurial drive. Having said that he was an entrepreneur, he started from nothing. He was just a runaway kid. It should come as no surprise that Elon considers Franklin to be terrible, as they both want to improve the world and create a better world. We share a strong desire to find solutions to build society. In the fictional side of Elon Musk's library, Isaac Asimov's Foundation trilogy, written in the 1940s, the story takes place in a fictional universe about 50,000 years later. Here, mathematician Harry Surdon is looking into the future of the world's population. Realizing that the civilization we know is nearing the end, Harry finds a solution to a long civilization and seeks to preserve human knowledge. Elon told Rolling Stone that the lessons learned from the Foundation should strive to be able to prolong civilization. minimize the possibility of the Dark Ages, and shorten the duration of the Dark Ages, if any. Elon also quoted Asimov's laws of robotics and tweeted that the Foundation series and Zero Law are the basis for creating SpaceX, designed to protect humanity. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing video from us.